today, goodness knows when, Sunday. And we did the rainbow yesterday, and today we are heading off to do the Braeburn Track and the Maruia Saddle. Hopefully we're going to go to the waterfall as well, his neck. And then we are going to
morning, everybody.
Head off to Karamea, hopefully, and we found a hotel there. We just need to book it. So it's about 10, late start this morning. It's quite foggy out, but let's go. Show you how difficult it is for me to actually get on my bike. It's actually more difficult to get off. So yeah, let's head off. Right, let's go. Just coming out, thank goodness, because I've had to crack the heater grips this morning. It's only 14 degrees. Not a bad place for a stop for traffic lights. Not too shabby at all. Wow. Stunning. We're just going to have a little tiki tour and have a look at Lake Rotorua. Wow, stunning. Photograph time. And this is how big this mounts. Unbelievable. My husband is doing a reference for a worker. And here we are in paradise. Seems like work cannot escape us. Start of the Braeburn Track. Just a little tiny ford compared to some of the monsters we were doing yesterday. A phone check. I hope the service 4G out here, which is actually more than I get back in Rotorua. Island trip. Right. No, I think we should have turned. So we went straight on. We should have turned up there. Good job that we checked. Braeburn Track was short and sweet. Back onto the tar field again. The gravel. Beautiful range just there. Beautiful day. And it looks looks like the road bends round over that way. This is possibly the accommodation Nick wanted to stay in last night because it was cheap. Would have suited you down to the ground, wouldn't it? Literally down to the ground. Perfect. And we are heading into the bush now. This should be quite an interesting one because apparently there are 5 or 6 river crossings. Not a lot of information on this track, so I don't know how hairy it's going to be, how deep the river crossings are, whether they're actually just little tiny streams. Okay, we've just stopped at Maruia Waterfall, which apparently was created by an earthquake, moving the tectonic plates and yeah, causing this waterfall. So just going to have a look. Really quite impressive. It's cool. You can see where the plates have just shifted up. To GoPro back here again, and we've just stopped at this lookout on the Buller Gorge. Very, very beautiful. It's windy here, eh? Right, let's go. Let's go, honey.
Now your camera.
More traffic lights. Yes, dementia traffic lights. Westport, and we are heading to Karamea, which is about 1 hour and a quarter away. We've got a nice hotel room there, and apparently there's a hotel there that does food as well, so we've got evening meals sorted. Looking forward to getting there and crashing. It's been a long day. Quick check for trains. Hit the coast again. Mountains one side and native bush, and sea the other. My heart is so happy. reached a really beautiful twisty part, like insanely beautiful. Very often I have to corner in second with this bike. Some of these are that sharp. Bit of a slip. Yes. Wow. Let me just turn off. Look at that view. We just climbed up here from sea level. Ollie, oop. Go on, you can do it, Nick.
I'll fall over. I'm going down.
Amazing. Really making the girls work coming up the hill.